Welcome to InnovEngine. Experience the future of outdoor living. The Exodus Capax 3D printed camper redefines mobility, while Flair Go maximizes compact comfort. Stay fresh with Boxio Tent Shower. The Rage Crossbow X NC delivers precision, and the Naturehike Snap Chair offers instant relaxation. Sleep in warmth with the Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter. Adventure awaits. The Exodus Capax is a groundbreaking 3D printed camper that pushes the boundaries of off-grid living. Crafted using advanced additive manufacturing, its lightweight yet highly durable structure is designed to withstand extreme conditions while remaining eco-friendly and energy efficient. Unlike traditional campers, its modular and customizable interior allows users to optimize space for sleeping, cooking, and storage, adapting effortlessly to diverse travel needs. With state-of-the-art insulation and a weather-resistant shell, the Exodus Capax ensures comfort in any environment, from scorching deserts to freezing mountain trails. Its solar power integration and off-grid capabilities make it a perfect choice for sustainable long-term adventures. A 3D printed camper represents the future of mobile living, combining lightweight construction, durability, and sustainability. Using advanced additive manufacturing, these campers are built with precision-engineered materials, reducing waste and enhancing structural strength. Their modular design allows for efficient space utilization, offering customizable interiors with smart storage, energy-efficient insulation, and off-grid capabilities. Unlike traditional RVs, 3D printing enables rapid production and innovative designs, optimizing aerodynamics and performance. With solar power integration and eco-friendly materials, 3D printed campers pave the way for self-sufficient, sustainable travel, revolutionizing the way adventurers explore the world. The Flair Go is a compact and innovative camping solution designed for modern adventures. With its lightweight and space-saving design, it offers maximum functionality in a minimal footprint. Engineered for convenience, it features quick setup, durable materials, and smart storage solutions, making it perfect for both weekend getaways and long-term travel. Its weather-resistant construction ensures comfort in various conditions, while its portable and ergonomic build allows for easy transport. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or setting up camp in the city, the Flair Go delivers effortless mobility and practicality for every journey. The Boxio Tent and Boxio Shower bring portable convenience and comfort to any outdoor adventure. The Boxio Tent is a lightweight, quick-setup privacy shelter, perfect for camping, van life, or beach trips. Designed for versatility and durability, it provides a secure space for changing, showering, or using a portable toilet. Paired with the Boxio Shower, a compact and eco-friendly water system, you can enjoy fresh, pressurized showers anywhere. Featuring a simple yet efficient design, it ensures a steady water flow without requiring complex plumbing. It's gone in. The Rage Crossbow X NC is a next-generation crossbow designed for precision, power, and reliability. Engineered with cutting-edge materials and advanced technology, it delivers high-speed accuracy with minimal noise and vibration. Its lightweight yet durable frame ensures easy handling, making it ideal for both seasoned hunters and tactical enthusiasts. Featuring an innovative no-cam system, it provides smoother shots, reduced draw weight, and enhanced stability. Whether for hunting, sport, or survival, the Rage Crossbow X NC sets a new standard for performance and efficiency in the field. The Naturehike Snap Chair is a lightweight, foldable, and ultra-portable seating solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed for quick setup and easy transport, it features a sturdy aluminum frame and durable fabric that provides both comfort and stability. Its ergonomic design ensures proper support, making it ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or beach trips. With a compact snap-together structure, it effortlessly fits into backpacks or car trunks, ready for any adventure. Whether you're relaxing by the campfire or enjoying a scenic view, the Naturehike Snap Chair offers instant comfort wherever you go. The Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter is designed for ultimate warmth and versatility on any adventure. Crafted with high loft insulation and ultra-soft materials, it provides cozy, all-season comfort, whether you're camping, road tripping, or lounging under the stars. Its lightweight and packable design ensures easy transport, while its spacious and breathable construction allows for unrestricted movement. Perfect for use as a traditional sleeping bag or a plush comforter, the Luno Comforter adapts to your needs, delivering hotel-like coziness in the great outdoors.